As for Chapter 9, Rational Function, Lesson 1. For this chapter, we need to simplify the fraction. Let's see question 1. First, we need to do the factorization. So for the numerator, 3x minus 18, 3 and 18, there's a common factor. It is 3. They both can divide by 3, so we take 3 out, so it becomes x minus 18 by 3 is 6. For denominator, we can see 2 and then 12, so the common factor for the number is 2. And for x squared and x, so the common factor is just x. So it becomes x minus 12 divided by 2, so it's 6. X taken already, so just this one. Next, we will simplify. That means if you see the same term, then you can cancel it. So x minus 6, both cancel. So lastly, it remains 3 over 2x. For this type of question, remember, first you need to factorize, next simplify. Let's see question 2. For question 2, same. We look at the numerator first. For numerator, you see the structure is x squared, xy, and then y squared. So that means we can use bracket for x squared, xx, and for y squared, 4y squared. 4 have two combinations, 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. Our target is negative 4. So that means when we add them or minus them, it becomes 4. So for this one, 1 plus 4, 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, so can't get 4. Okay, so that means just only this one. So we can know that is 2y, 2y. Okay, and then the middle is negative 4, so that means negative, negative. Negative, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, so become negative 4. And for denominator, so it is 3. No, because this one is x, this one is y squared. So we take it out, so it becomes x squared, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. For the denominator, actually, we still can factorize. Do you remember this one? A squared minus b squared. It is a plus b, a minus b, difference of 2 squared. So we can apply the difference of 2 squared into here. Okay, so it becomes x minus 2y, x minus 2y, and then for denominator, 3. So 1 is plus, so for the green part, this part, x plus 2y, because plus here, x minus 2y. Now remember, this 4y squared become 2y over bracket square. Okay. Next, we can simplify. We can look at the similar term. So you see, they are same, so we can cancel it. So finally, x minus 2 for numerator, and then denominator is this one. Now, you can try to do question 3 and 4. Let's check it. Numerator first. So for this one, same. It is about the difference of 2 squared. So for 25, it is 5 squared. So x plus 5 and then x minus 5. And for denominator, 6 and 30. So both can divide by 6. So we take out 6. So 30 divided by 6, it is 5. Positive 5. Then any same term? Yes, x plus 5. So cancel it. So finally, we can get x minus 5 over 6. Next, question 4. For question 4, For numerator, you can see 3, 6, 3. That means we can take 3 out. So it becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1. And for denominator, we can use the bracket. So x squared, xx, and 5 actually no other combination, just only 1. Is 1 times 5. So 1 times 5. And our target is positive 6. So we can see plus 5 plus 1. Next, we'll consider the numerator again. Actually, it is xx. And then this one. So just only one combination, 1, 1. And positive 2, so plus 1 plus 1. Then we can cancel x plus 1. So finally, here. Next, let's see this question. Question 7. This time we have 2 groups. This group times this group. Actually, it's very similar to the previous question. First, we need to factorize. So for this one first, 1 over. So for denominator, 3x squared and then 21x. So 3, 21, so the common factor is 3. X squared x, so x. And then it become, for this one, it become x. And then for that one, we will take out 3x, so it remains positive 7. Next, the second term. Denominator, no need to change because we can't factorize. But for numerator, 6 and 42, so we can take out 6. 42 divided by 6, it is 7. Then we can simplify. So x plus 7, same, right? And 3 times 2 is 6. So that means we can cancel the number. Finally, don't forget this and this. So x times x power 4, so x power 5. Question next. This time it is division. If we want to simplify, we need to change the direction of the fraction. That means reciprocal. Okay, become time. So first step, this one just copy, and then time. Reciprocal, that means change the position. Okay, I just change the position up and down. And then next, we can simplify one by one. So this part first, so x minus 3. And for denominator, do you remember from 3? We learned this one. Do you remember this? A cubed plus b cubed. This formula here actually is identity. So it is a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. There's another cubic, but this time is the subtraction minus. So it is a minus b like this one, and then this one become positive. Okay, like just only this one positive, and then it's negative, and this one negative, this one negative, and then this one is positive. This two is opposite. Okay, for this question, we can see 27, it is 3 to the power 3. So that means it is using this one. So x plus 3, because plus, you see, this one. And then a squared, I mean x squared, minus, now b is 3, yeah, so it's 3x, and then plus b squared. You see, b squared, that means 3 squared for this one, so it's 9. And for this part, so for the numerator, actually it can't factorize, because for 9, it is 1 times 9, and then 3 times 3. Add minus, we can't get 3, you see. 9 plus 1, 10, 9 minus 1 is 8. So it is not 3. For 3, 3 times 3 is 3 plus 3, 6, 3 minus 3 is 0. So we can't get 3. So for this one, we can't factorize. Lastly, we have this part. So for this, the common factor is x. So x minus 3. Then we'll see, can we simplify x minus 3? And then this big term we can simplify. So finally, remember this one and this one. So x times x plus 3, 1 over this. Okay. Next, try to do question 9 and 10. Let's try the answer. Question 9. First part, 4, 8. So we can take out 4. So it remains 4 times x minus 2. And for denominator, we take out x. So x minus 1. For next part, x minus 1, no change. For this one, actually it's x squared minus 2 squared. So default 2 squared, x plus 2, x minus 2. Then simplify, x minus 2 cancel it, x minus 1 also. So finally, 4 over x times x plus 2. Lastly, question 10. Question 10, you can see it is about the division. So that means first step, now we can do it, take out 2, and then time the reciprocal. Okay, so x minus 12, 2x squared minus x minus 3. And then for this one, actually this one is also default 2 square, because 1 is 1 square. So it becomes 1 plus x, 1 minus x, and then 2 like this. Okay, and then for this part, 8, 12. So the common factor is 4. So it's 2x minus 3. And lastly, for this one, so for 2x squared, so it's 2x and x. And next, 3. You can see 3. So for 3, it is 1 times 3. So, and we will check the middle part. So, if we write 1, 3 here, actually we can't get it. Because for this is 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 or 6 minus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it is not negative 1. So that means we can't put this one. So that means we need to change. That means this is 3. This is 3. And this is 1. Then you can check. This one is 3x. This one is 2x. So that means it's minus and then plus. Negative 3x plus 2x. So negative x. Then we can simplify. So x plus 1, 1 plus x, they are same. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. And then 2 cancel, this 4 become 2. And then for these 2, they are not the same, but very similar. If we take out the negative from here, so it becomes negative x minus 1. Right? Then we can cancel it. So finally, the answer is negative 2.